I'm Alan. I own a 45-foot narrowboat, have an interest in industrial heritage, transport and technology, and invite you to join me as I cruise, repair and maintain my boat, and visit events and places of historic interest. Well, we're here at the boat show, just driving in. Only taken a few minutes to get here from the boat, of course. We're just making our way now into the boat show. I've already said hello to a viewer of the channel who parked by us. Hope to catch up with them a little bit later.
I'm going to ask you obvious questions.
Morning.
Morning.
That's it, we'll have to read.
No, you'll have a very good day. Yeah? Enjoy yourself.
Already had a little draw.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
All right, thank
Good
you.
to see you. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
For last year.
That's okay.
That's
no
wonderful to see you again. You haven't met Sally.
Hello.
Hiya.
Oh, you've got two.
Yeah,
Wow.
She's from Tilly.
Tilly and Ozzy.
Tilly and Ozzy. Wow, that's wonderful. And this is Reggie down here.
Hello, Reg.
Hello, Reg.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's
I hope
okay.
you noticed I've been wearing it.
Yeah, on the videos, yeah.
Yeah.
He says,
Yeah.
come on.
Yeah, it was excellent, excellent.
Good.
Take
Nice to
care.
see you again.
See you later.
Yeah, all the
Take
best. Thank you.
See ya.
It's all about Wi-Fi, mobile broadband on board. That's it.
It's amazing how busy it is so quickly. The car park was filling up very quickly. Loads of people here. I think today will be a very busy day, as tomorrow rain is forecast. Not just rain, but proper thunderstorms, possibly with lightning. Hello.
I'm Donald.
Donald. Nice
From
to meet you,
Glasgow.
Donald. From Glasgow. You come all that way to see me?
No,
No.
You flatter yourself.
I've seen you the last 2 years actually. I've spoken to you.
Oh, it's good to see you, yeah.
The weather will be suiting you a bit better today.
It will,
I
yeah.
watched your latest thing on YouTube the other night and it was weather. You were getting quite wet, I think.
Reggie.
We thought about what we were going to do. The thing I never thought about was internet. And all the crew spent the whole trip going on, how am I going to get on the internet?
Hello. Nice to see you.
And you, Alan. Very nice to meet
And
you.
you
Yeah.
are?
Beryl.
Beryl.
Yeah.
And who's this gentleman?
My husband, Peter.
Husband.
Peter.
Hello.
How
Nice
you
to
doing?
see you.
You're in
You
our
been here
lounge.
before?
Last year we came. That was our first year. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Same as Pete.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. So we're going to see, find out about the Wi-Fi now. Maybe.
Yeah, she said we have to work out where to put it. We've got a rotary thing, haven't we?
Hi Alan.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
All right, thank you.
And
Chris.
you are?
Chris.
Chris. Hi.
Yeah, I follow you on.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of people called Chris
Well,
that
yeah.
follow me. Yeah, so it's nice to meet you.
Yeah. Yeah. It's.
This is the first time you visited the show?
No, I visited last year, but I missed you.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
It's all right.
Hello. How are you?
Hi, thanks for joining
Nice to
me.
see you.
He was dying to see you.
And you are
David and Jolene.
David and Jolene. Wow.
Wait,
Nice to
Joe,
see
that's
you.
the one.
Yeah.
We're moored on the River Ouse in Ely.
Are you? All right.
Yeah.
That must be interesting at times.
Yeah, being on a river.
Yeah.
But we're hoping fingers crossed, to sort of wind things down and go come back on the canal.
Oh, right. So are you in a narrowboat, are you?
Well, we went from a wide beam, 10 foot wide, and then we've gone to a narrowboat so we can do the network.
Oh, nice to meet you. Sarah Kay, yes. Nice to meet you.
I did come after you, but you were.
Ah, right.
But yeah,
Beautiful pictures, thank you.
Oh, excuse me, sorry, I'll leave you. But I often put comments on your vlogs because I'm quite interested in some of the things you follow with our heritage.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like that.
But yeah, very good.
This is Barrows Shire. My engine is a Barrows Shire, 35 horsepower. I say this is what my engine is, a Barrows Shire.
Yeah. Do you recommend them?
Hi Sally.
Hiya.
Hello Reggie.
The Celeste pump.
So you are?
I'm Andy.
Andy, nice to meet you,
Hi.
Andy.
I sent you an email the other day.
Did you?
Facebook message.
Oh yes, right.
Yeah.
I get so many. I can't remember them all, but yeah.
I bought a boat, haven't I?
You have?
Yeah, 58
well
foot after 3 years trying.
Excellent. You happy with it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the main thing, isn't it?
Yeah. You walk on a boat, bearing in mind I've had coastal boats, and I walk on a narrowboat and you just love it.
Yes.
And 3 years of looking at different narrowboats. Got the email on the Sunday, I was passing. On the Monday went straight on it. You couldn't believe it.
Good to see you too. How are you?
Yeah. This is Sally. Sally.
Hiya, Sally.
This is Fares Aboard. I think I've
I'm
mentioned
Steve.
them.
This is Andy.
Steve and Andy, yeah.
How you doing?
I don't watch everyone like I
No,
used
we
to.
don't. No,
Yeah,
we
it's
don't.
so difficult keeping up. Have you sold your pet shop?
Yes.
You sold them.
Yeah,
I thought you must have done all the cruising.
That was 2
you've been
years ago.
doing.
Cruising full time now. 2 years
Sorry,
ago.
I know you've been cruising full time. But I didn't realise that. I just thought, because you would have liked that, they had a pet shop.
Yeah, no, I'm disappointed.
Yeah.
Sorry.
This is Reggie.
Little soul Reggie.
I'd love to go in your pet shop.
What's going on now?
Hello.
13 and a half though, I've been in.
So now we've dried it. I drove.
And it's right there,
And after a few attempts, it's working.
She's not rescue, she's been used to reading.
Popped it up and then popped it back down.
Hello. See you. Yeah,
Hello Bonnie.
She's racing. Black dogs, isn't it? Sometimes it's like that.
She's just frightened of big dogs. It's all right. Sorry. It's
just in case.
Yeah.
She just wanted to say hello.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh,
No, she's trying to rip his face off. Oh, you can see him now. You can't miss him.
So if you want to have a real laugh,
He's making his way over slowly. You've done his tattoo. We waxed it.
Susan. Okay, so next minutes we've got Mr. Tom Leary.
And you are? Ian.
Yeah, I'm the one that always comments with bye for now on YouTube.
Excellent. Yeah, nice to see you. Enjoying your show?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, we just got here. We just had a look round.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, we've been here some while, but slow progress. We've met so many viewers of the channel, which is really wonderful. Yeah.
I saw you last year, but you were so busy with everyone else.
Oh, yeah.
Good to see you as well.
Excellent. Enjoy the show.
Yeah, well done. Do your blue.
Yes, excellent.
definitely be the case.
I mean, it might be true.
I know, but what can you do? Every episode starts with a coffee machine going off, but it's like...
Here comes Sally. Thought I'd lost her. Hello.
I was looking all over for
See
your
where
hat.
you were. I was just walking up this way.
Hello. We call you Mr. Smiley because you're always
Oh,
smiling.
that's lovely. Yes.
I think we watched you from the
you.
start, yeah.
Yeah, that was wonderful.
What do we say?
Enjoying the show?
Very good.
We are,
thank
yeah,
you
very good.
Have you been before?
First time,
First
yeah.
time, yeah. There's a lot to see, isn't there?
Yeah.
Boat yet? I've got a
Well, we've got a boat, yeah, we're
Yeah.
getting some ideas really, different layouts and stuff like that. Things to spend our money on.
You're going to carry him now, are you?
Just for a bit, it's putting his brakes on, he won't move.
Can you move? Oh, silly boy, aren't they?
You can have it reverse layout, so it's taken to... If you have it at the back...
Hello. You are?
Marie.
Marie.
And Ray.
Nice to see you.
We
mate.
saw you last year in one at Tents.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Didn't get the chance to say hello then.
Well, we said hello, but
You was really busy.
Oh, yeah. Good. Enjoying the show?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Wonderful,
far.
wonderful,
Yeah.
That's great.
After a traffic jam here, we're relaxing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Nice to see you both.
Yeah, same to you.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Ah, who have we got here?
This is Trigger,
Trigger.
and that one's Sapphire.
Sapphire. Wow, hello. Sally's here somewhere with Reggie.
Make them hassle, let's have a look. Oh, I hope we don't set you off barking. Look, puppies.
You can't. The EA have got problems.
Partners in crime.
Just been had his ears massaged by those two lovely girls.
Liz, can you just say
Hello. Nice to see you.
hello? She loves your show.
Nice to see you.
Nice to meet you. Hello.
So how does it go? Hang on a minute.
And then you. See you on the court. Yeah, see you out. Good luck.
Hang on a minute.
Hi, Alan.
Hi.
And how's it going? 5-4 now.
Oh, I could use you on the show. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
It's lovely to meet you.
Oh, and you, Alan. It's
Thank you.
finally lovely to meet you. We
All the
missed
best.
you last year. Were you here last year?
I
weren't
was,
you? You
yes,
were
yeah.
different
Oh,
day,
3
actually.
days.
Last year, we missed
Yeah.
you last year.
We missed you last
This
year.
is
How
where
are
I
you,
met Sally. Met Sally here last year.
Yeah,
You met last year here?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was my first year here.
Oh, wow.
Met Alex Subaru.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
This is one of the boats they use for the boat handling courses. I actually went on this boat twice, in 2016 and 2017 I think it was. It was my first taste of being on a narrowboat and steering it. I actually steered it back into this marina. Hello. I remember you from last year. Hello, nice to see you.
Oh, we're just doing a catch-up.
Just catching up with Sally, really.
Yes, indeed, yes. Good thing to do.
Upload out.
Yeah, okay. I'll say bye for now then. Bye.
Hello, Alan. How are
Hello,
you?
I'm fine, thank you. Oh, we've got
cheers.
yourself an ice cream.
I know, look at that.
Yeah.
His lead gone. Oh, he's here.
Hello, and Sally's behind you. Hello, how are you both?
I'm good.
Yeah, excellent. Nice to see you.
Meeting Ali.
Just having my shoe protectors fitted. It's not really to protect the shoe though, is it? Through here we can see the engine. Look at this.
Oh, slick.
Hello.
Hello. An inverter, solar panel is in there. All your controls are up here.
That's handy, isn't it? It's very clever. It's very good.
Yeah, the last one was 145. This one
And you got your washing machine.
It's quite swish, isn't it?
It is. This is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
No.
Through into the bathroom.
This is very spacious,
Wow.
isn't it?
This is something, isn't it?
Space.
But it does flow well. It does really well.
Yeah, it's great.
This is so
It's lovely, this one, isn't it? Probably my favourite push one.
You look cosy there, Sally.
Yeah. This is how you should have yours.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, my cratch isn't big enough for this sort of thing.
We're hoping to be in the water.
Hello, Dynamic Dave.
There you go.
And you're building a boat, I hear, for these lovely
Well, he's got
people.
his own. He's got his own, but
right.
he's just done his own build. He's
Paws.
Narrowboat Misfit, and he's already in. He went in the water 2 months ago, didn't he?
Yeah.
So
What happened was I watched him actually trying to cut a piece of wood.
Here we go.
And I was laughing so much I had to help him out because I couldn't stand the pain anymore.
Yeah.
Hello, let's see it.
Hi,
Hello. Yeah, nice to see you again.
Good to see you again too, yeah.
Wonderful.
Long time
You've
no
grown.
see. Yeah.
Nearly as tall as Mum, eh?
Yeah.
Wonderful, yeah.
And how are you getting on with your boat at the moment?
Yeah, it's all good, thank you.
Good,
And
yeah.
Sally's with me here.
Oh, hello. Nice to meet you.
Reggie's up there if you want to say hello to Reggie. He's tied up at the moment.
So it's great to see you again. Definitely.
It's lovely to meet you again. You enjoying the show,
We
are
are,
you?
yes.
Yeah.
So I think last time we saw you, I was going to do a boat handling course, wasn't I, last year?
How did that go?
That went really well last year, really good,
Excellent,
It was really interesting,
It's lovely to see you
And
again.
you too.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Bob, and Anne. I don't know whether she's commented on you. My wife, she probably commented on your
I don't
things.
think we've met Anne, have we?
Yeah, I'll go. I did see you earlier on,
Yeah,
actually.
okay.
And now I'm in the picture.
Hello, nice to meet you both again.
Hi Alan, it's lovely to see you both, and Sally as well.
Yes, Sally's here.
Yeah,
Out of
lovely
shot.
to see you. Yeah.
Enjoying the show?
We are.
Yeah,
Yes,
lovely.
it's nice to have a look round.
Yes,
Are you
it is.
looking? Are you
Yeah.
looking for anything specific, or just
No,
enjoying
not
the?
today, no,
just enjoying all the
enjoying
people.
the show and meeting a lot of viewers today.
Yes. Yeah.
Really, we only walk about 10 yards.
I was
and
going to
we're
say
talking
it's very
somewhere.
difficult. Normally,
So, yeah.
anybody with a dog doesn't get very far either, because everybody wants to pet the dog. But when you are known in the village, as it were, everybody wants to talk to you.
That's very nice. Many thanks for talking to me.
Yeah. Oh, well, I saw him walk away from the yeah.
Nice to see you. Thank you. Nice to see you.
Hello, Alan. Are you doing all right?
Famous
I'm in the Tillers and Tankards bar waiting for Gary to have his beard shaved off. I can't actually see Gary at the moment, but he must be around somewhere. Oh, hello. Hello. Nice to see you. Where's Gary then?
He's over there.
Oh, there he is. Hello, nice to meet you.
And you, Alan.
Yeah. Here you are.
Anne.
Anne. Oh, Anne.
Anne Flood.
Which brings us, according to my math, which isn't great, as my manager will tell you, to £3,745. So by my calculations, you're about 255 quid off of the £4,000 mark. Yeah, Pauline's never done this before, so have we got a first aid box? I should have done a risk assessment, shouldn't I? Honestly, well done, mate. Great job. Well done. And next, we welcome to the stage Captain Gary Phillips and Nikki.
Start, Gary. Keeping the up on. Keeping that. Keeping the up on.
Thanks to everyone that's donated. Doesn't matter how small, how large, thank you very much for all your donations. Thank you very much.
Let's do it again for Gary.
Good to see you again.
There it is. You've been quite busy this time, haven't you, with the historic stuff and that? Yeah, really good.
Hello, nice to see you.
We met you last year, Alan,
Yes, I
and
remember very well.
we've come back this year, and we saw your vlog of you eating humbugs, so we thought we'd bring you a bag all the way from Bournemouth.
That's very nice, thank you very much. Wow, aren't I the lucky one to have a bag of humbugs? Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Very welcome. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you so much, Alan, for the tops on the decorating roller.
It's a bit loud now.
Are you well?
Yes, I'm fine.
How's it looking?
Looking wonderful.
Is it your turn next year? It's coming back. It is coming back. Yeah, I look younger. I look like a teenager again.
I'm glad I didn't go to the house that I thought it was, because I was the next road down. I was thinking, and every time we drive past, I'm like, do you think it's that one then, or is it that one? What do you think about that one?
Which one?
That one that we looked at.
Well, at that time, they probably knew the writing was on the wall for. You never know.
Can I share her options with the house?
Got a bit hot.
A bit, okay. say, I can't really envisage myself ever wanting to fit out a boat like this. And it is a wide beam, of course. This is the London Narrowboat project boat. They do very good work with all sorts of groups. Jump aboard?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just...
Yeah, we'll welcome you on board.
Just a quick word on your project, please, sirs.
And you are who?
I'm Alan from my narrowboat venture. I'm also a volunteer locky at Watford Locks, and I often see your boats come through.
Yes, we are. Well, we are two boats, Lancelot and Guinevere, and we're based at Inland Marina. And we do travel all the locks and around the area, from anything from a weekend to 10 days, fortnight.
I didn't realise you went for that long.
Yeah, depends on who wants and how long they want to be out for. We've got a group coming from America next week, and they're out for 10 days.
Right.
So they're at Heathrow Airport, or just arrived this weekend, and they're coming up on
today,
Tuesday.
Yeah, they're coming to us Tuesday for the 9-10 days.
Oh, that's wonderful. What sort of group are they?
Sea Scouts from the middle of America.
Okay, that's great. Thanks very much. Thank you.
All right, no
Thank you.
problem.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Enjoying the show?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely, yeah. And the sun's shining today.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It's lovely,
Nice day
yeah.
today.
Really
Yeah.
I
nice.
don't think tomorrow is as promising, is it?
No, I know.
No.
Yeah,
I reckon there might be rain.
Yeah, pick the best
Yeah.
day.
Well, it's
Hopefully.
nice to see you
Yeah,
again.
and
You
you.
too.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, you were supposed to be a black greyhound. What happened?
I ended up fostering him because somebody passed away.
Oh.
And then I couldn't give him back, so I didn't get him.
Hey mate, how are you? What are you looking for?
This is the store here where I got my multicoloured coat from last year.
How are you doing?
And here's the gentleman that sold it to me. Hello, how are you?
Not bad, you alright?
Yeah, fine, thanks.
Is it still going?
Still going, I love it.
Which one,
Really
the
do
colourful,
love it.
the
Yeah.
colourful one?
Yeah, very much so. Yeah.
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 Everybody notices him out on the cup when he's wearing it. Don't they?
They
Shout
do
out, don't
indeed.
they? Like your jacket.
I'm more in London.
This is like my red one I bought some years ago. Is there anything you like?
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
Yeah. How would you choose?
Hello, nice to see you both.
Hi, Alan.
Enjoying the show?
Love the show, absolutely beautiful, yeah.
Yeah. Have you been before?
Yes, lots of times. Yeah.
So you've got a boat, have you?
We have, yes.
Yeah. What's your boat called?
Augusta.
Yeah.
It's out there.
It's out there on the cup.
Right.
Yeah.
Excellent.
By the gantry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
This is a brown colour here, look.
Oh no.
Just put BBC. BBC for RYA.
Watercraft. RCT. Paws. Chinese Preston was the only one in the list that had fur. But apparently it's a designer cross of
Well, we have been buying things. I've just bought a metal step that I can use with my camper van, as the electric one doesn't work. And it looks far better than the fold-out plastic ones you can buy, so I'm very pleased with that. And Sally has bought a new dog bowl, or bowls I should say, for Reggie. We're just walking back to the van to drop off our purchases, and then we'll go back into the show. We've just enjoyed some donut rings and they were absolutely delicious. And Sally has had coffee as well. I treat her well, don't I? Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Great to meet you.
Yes, thank you. You
And
too.
where do you come from, sir?
We moved here from Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, wow.
Yep. Built ourselves a wide beam boat, and now we're living on the canals of England.
Wow, you enjoy it?
Absolutely.
How long have you been doing that for?
Well, we're really on our first cruise. We left our marine. We've been living in a marine over the winter, and we started up about 3 weeks ago, coming up the canal, and it's been wonderful.
Well, good luck with that.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
Yeah, we call it our retirement adventure.
Well, we've had a lovely time at the show. There's quite a lot of noise in the background. But that is it for this year. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I've certainly enjoyed meeting so many viewers of the channel, and they've met Sally for the first time, which has been really wonderful. So I'd like to thank you all for your ongoing support and encouragement. It means a great deal to both of us. So I'm going to sign out now. Wish you all well. Look after yourselves, your friends and families. Take the utmost care in whatever you're doing. Until next time, bye for now. Bye everyone. Take care.